This here is our DodgeTXT10. As you can clearly see, bearings have been burnt out. This gearing is going to be repaired, reground. We had a broken snap ring on the internal casing. You can see all these metal shavings, so forth. Repaired the pinion shaft seal areas. Sandblast inside and outside of box, re-epoxy. All new hardware will be supplied. Obviously new bearings and seals. Please stay tuned to watch a step-by-step video tutorial. Thank you for watching our videos at National Gear. It's one of our TXT10s we did a total rebuild on. All new bearings and seals, replaced some end caps, repaired gearing, repaired some shaft seal areas. Thank you again for watching.